spacious living and dining area. So this part is for your living area. So you can even check the kitchen interior with. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check out the spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Adarsh Tropica, which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project by Adarsh Group. And today we are here to check out the 2.5 BHK sample flat. But before starting the video, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is your who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the information and details of the project. And about the land parcel is just opposite to the marketing office where the construction work is going on. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this is total 13 acres of land parcel with total 8 towers in it. And let me tell you, 2 towers were launched in phase 1 and in phase 2, there are 6 towers. So with each tower of basement, ground plus 13 floors, having 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part. So this project is located in Chodasandra, Sarjapur Off-Road in Sarjapur, Bangalore. So let me tell you that this road will connect you towards Gatahalli. Now, about the further connectivity of the project. Sarjapur main road is 2.5 kilometers away from the project. RGA Tech Park is 3 kilometers away. Wipro Cority is 3.6 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part. So this project has 25 plus luxurious amenities like of the clubhouse with all the indoor amenities. Here's the swimming pool, the basketball court, multi-purpose court, garden area, kids play area and many more. So now this is your 2.5 BHK of 1390 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at this. So once we enter from your main entrance, here there is a lobby space for your privacy, no direct living and dining area. Now from this lobby space, we'll enter towards your spacious living and dining area. So this part is for your living area where you can set your sofa set in front of exactly your TV unit space. Now about the spacious and beautiful part, that is the balcony. So here they are providing you with a beautiful balcony area with anti-skid tiles, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. So you can enjoy a beautiful scenic view from this balcony area. Now about the kitchen and the dining area. So as you can check out here, there is open kitchen concept and you can set your dining table over here. So you can even check the kitchen interior with the platforms, the cabinets, and this kitchen you can check out. Here is the window space. So they are providing you with a window and the utility area as well. So in this utility area, they have provided with the anti-skid tiles. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So all the 2 bedroom and the 0.5 bedroom is over this side. So here start the passage area and over this side is the 0.5 room. So let's enter and check out. So once you enter, you can check out the 0.5 room. It is much more spacious than the usual 0.5 room. You can check out, they have done the interior for the kids bedroom. They have added up a bed, the study table as well, and here in this bedroom there is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now exactly in front of this bedroom, here is the washroom area, the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now over this side is your bedroom number 1. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check out the spacious room area, the bed space, the window. Here they have given the huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and over this side is the wardrobe space. Now let's move towards the master bedroom, but before that let me tell you what all features Housey provides you all. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So why to go here and there? You can register for free and schedule your free site visit. Now just follow me and we'll be moving towards the master bedroom. So once you enter the master bedroom, the uniqueness starts from the flooring itself with the wooden finishing flooring, and even they have given the lobby space for the privacy, and you can check out the huge bed space, the TV unit space, and the balcony. The plus point is the balcony. So here's the balcony. You can check out the balcony with anti-skid tiles, iron railing, and even this balcony is three-side covered. Now, the wardrobe space, the dressing area, about the washroom as well. So here they have provided the washroom which is attached to the room. So here comes the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings in the washroom. As you all know, we are here in Sarjapur location. Have you checked another project in Sarjapur? If you are looking for more details of this project, all is provided in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.